over the edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent.
Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. Oh, we got some mail. Whew. What's in here? Let's open it and let's figure this out real quick. I'm fairly certain this is what I ordered about 3 or 4 days ago. I believe. Yes. It's the Daiwa Procyon Un-boxing. $74.99. Normally $199. Wow. And I have a nice box I can reuse. Well, yeah, their price. Okay, so their price on this tag was $148.98. Bass Pro had them for $199. They were marked down to like $149 for a while. And recently, West Marine put them on sale for $74.99 or something like that. So I thought, let's buy one. Feels very nice. So the specs on this, I really don't know, you guys. Here, I need some glasses. We're going to get into specs. I'm going to need specs. Basically, a 12-pound test. It'll hold about 200 yards. It's a good size reel. To me, it's like a perfect size for all purpose. I think we're going to go ahead and put it on this 7'1" medium heavy Bass X spinning rod. I think it'll complement it nicely. I'm going to put it on right now. Just check it out. Yeah. I like how this feels. I got the rod on sale too back last year for about $89 for this rod. I felt was a really good deal. And this reel for 74 bucks. So for well under $200, you guys, this is a very nice spinning setup, I think. It's 5.2 to 1, weighs 9 ounces. It's 22-pound max drag. Basically 30 and a half inches for every revolution. And it's got 6 ball bearings in it. So it's capable. I'm going to put some 8-pound Cigar Red on it. And we're going to go with that. And I'll probably, at first, just to set the drag, I think I'm going to throw on something real light, like a Ned rig, and go after some spotted bass, maybe just hit up a point. And I just kind of want to feel the rod and reel. And I mean, you can go target these spotted bass all day and pick them off. I mean, your size might not be there, but the point is to just kind of get a feel for the reel and the drag system. So we'll get out there and do that. But anyway, I think this Daiwa Procyon right now, this one, or the 2500 even, the size just a step down from that is also available at West Marine. They don't pay me, so I mean, do you? But that's the cheapest price I could find on what I think's the best spinning reel sale right now. So I don't know if anybody is interested, but there you go. If that's something you're in the market for, I think it's a good deal. Have a great day. Take it easy, and thank you for watching.
A feel of discontent, I'm finally facing it all. Fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am